In this lab, we're going to explore different actions you can take on a compute instance in Azure Machine Learning Studio. Within Azure Machine Learning Studio, you should navigate to the Compute. When you click Compute, you're going to see different actions you can take on a compute instance. First, we're going to start by creating a new compute instance by clicking New. We can type a compute name as well as select a virtual machine size. After that, we can also enable SSH and add additional configuration settings, such as VNet. After that's done, we just click Create. Right now, I'm not going to create a new compute instance because I already have one created. After that's done, for every single compute instance, we can see there's several actions you can take on a compute instance. The first is stop, then restart, then delete. Stop action is useful as you can stop a compute after you're finished running all your compute tasks, so you can prevent any unnecessary cost. Next, we have restart. With restart, you might need to restart your compute instance because sometimes it's necessary for installing certain libraries or extensions. Lastly, you might want to delete your compute instance. When you're done with your compute instance, you can delete it. The good news is, even after deleting a compute instance, all your notebooks and files are still stored on the default storage account for your workspace and can be accessed by going to the File Explorer in the Notebook section. To get more information about your compute instance, you should click the compute name. When you click the compute name, you'll see compute details. In compute details, there are two different things: the compute attributes and the resource properties. In the attributes, you can see different things like compute name, compute type, subscription ID, resource group, and other things. In the resource properties, you can see different things like status, when the compute was created, if you have SSH access disabled or not, as well as the IP address and public IP. We can now head back to compute by clicking here. If we head back to the compute page, there are more things we can do, such as launch different applications. You can launch your favorite applications like Jupyter, Jupyter Lab, and RStudio directly from the compute instance. By clicking this link, it would open a different tab where you need to sign in again and get access to the application. Just like that, we have access to Jupyter Lab. Congratulations! You've completed the Introduction to Managing a Compute Instance Lab.